Hello viewers, let's quickly solve the question that we have on the board. And when you look at this question, they ask us to find the value of n. When you look at this question, you will observe that this question involves what? Indices and what? Logarithm. And for us to solve this very question now, the first thing that we're going to do will be, since they have 2 in both sides, we are going to divide both sides by what? By 2, okay? Meaning, this particular log that we have here, we will divide it by 2. This side, we will divide it by 2. And this part, we will divide it by 2 as well. So, this divide by 2 will give us what? Log, the base is 9, okay? And minus 6 divided by 2 will give us what? 3. So, we now have log, remember that the base is 9. Okay, and this place now will be what? N, which is equal to 1. Okay, now this particular expression that we have, this is the same thing as log, the base is 9, n minus log, the base is 9, n power what? 3. These two things are the same. Okay, equal to. Now, under the rules of what? Logarithm, there is a rule that stipulates that log, let's say maybe y, we use y as the base, and the number is y is equal to what? 1. So we are going to apply this here. So when we do, we will now have, since the question that they gave us, the base is what? Is 9. So we will make it to be in this form. Base and the what? The number will now be 9, because log 9, log, log, this log now in base 9, this thing now it will give us what? 1. Okay, according to that what? Rule. So we are going to substitute it with this. Now, having done that, the next thing that we're going to apply now is what? Another division rule of what? Logarithm. Okay, in that division rule of logarithm, now we will do it this way. Log to base 9, bracket open, n over n power 3, okay, bracket closes, is equal to log 9, and the base is 9. So having done that, we will now eliminate the log. Okay, when we eliminate the log by dividing both sides by what? Log in base 9, we will now have n over what? N power 3 is equal to what? 9. Okay, now n divide n will give us 1. N power 3 divided by n will give us n power 2, which is equal to what? 9. Now, when we cross multiply, we will now have what? If you cross multiply now, we will now have 9 n power 2 is equal to what? 1. Okay. Now, if you divide both sides by coefficient of n power 2, which is 9, if you divide both sides by 9, we will now have n power 2 is equal to what? 1 over what? 9. Okay, which is n is equal to plus minus square root of what? 1 over 9, which is what? N is equal to plus minus 1 over 3. But in this very question now, the value of n must be positive so that the log will exist. That is, n is equal to what? 1 over 3. Now you can practice this at your convenient time. If we have 3 log in base 5 n minus 6 log in base 5 what? N is equal to 3. So you can practice this, okay? When you solve it, you drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.